Hi viewers, Amanath Smart Steps Trading Channel. So today all the indices, most of the indices are in green and in one direction except bank. If you see here, just a minute, yeah. So all the indices are in green except Nifty Bank. So that is in the negative. So that's what I indicated here. Okay, so we'll go into the main video. So before that, today's tidbit: a good analyst can detect repetitive pattern of crowd behavior on his chart and exploit them. So if we know quite proficient in chart analysis, we can easily identify the patterns and easily we take the conclude the direction and take the position accordingly, and we'll be in the profitable. So that's what author come to say. Okay, so before going to the main video, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. Only that will make you a good trader or investor in long run. So today Nifty 19 point positive closure at 22,493. The detail we will see in the chart. The left side, top gainers and losers of Nifty are there. So we have a glance and we'll go to the market statistics. So totally 2,692 stocks traded, in which 1,610 stocks ended positively, 980 stocks ended negatively, and 96 stocks ended unchanged. 110 stock touched the upper circuit limit, 86 stock touched the lower circuit limit, 81 stock touched the 52-week highs, and 54 stock touched the 52-week low. So the notable point is this one: the advances is 1,600 and decline is quite less than 1,000. So this is remarkable changes compared to last 2 days. And the upper circuit limit and lower circuit limit, there is no much change, and similarly 52-week high. So yesterday I think it was 76 if my remembrance is correct. So just over 5 stocks, 5 number is increased here. So the main thing is the advance and decline ratio. So this we can say a remarkable changes, significant changes, we can say that. So who is the good contributor to the Nifty today? So ITC 13.88 point positive contribution, Tata Steel 10.27, and this is the upper positive side, and the negative side, Reliance 37 negative contribution, and ICC 17 point negative contribution. And recording the FA data. So far in this month, FIA 2,824 crores net buying, and DA 11,297 crores, and both are in net buying. So if this continues, Nifty can easily touch the 23,000 within a week. By maybe probability, there are a lot of probabilities are there. Even next week end, it may touch. So we can expect that. So this is month-wise FA data since August. Have a glance, then we will continue to the chart. The Nifty previous close was 22,474. If you see, there's just a small gap up and then a small bit down of 95 points. If you see from the high and low, there's just solidly 97 points only, 95 points only. So totally it is in the sideways movement. The entire day was very much boring. At the end of the day, it is just a 19 point positively closed. So at least it closed, though it's not a very significant point. The positive closure will give the positivity. So that respect we can appreciate the Nifty ended positively. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, there was a small gap up, and again from there it has came down 300 points. And if you see some overall market, if you see it is also in the sideways movement only. At the end of the day, minus 130 point negative closure. So as far as Bank Nifty concerned, 130 point is not a very big number. Let me hope still the momentum it gained for a couple of sessions we can expect it will continue from Monday on. Now we will see the trend. So if you see the Nifty, now it is in good position, we can say that. If you see the recent trend, you can see it's very good, positive side only. So the immediate support, we can say 22,000 is the immediate support. Just a moment, I will change it back. The 22,000 will act as a strong support. In the downside, after 22, if it breaks 21,500 will be a very much strong support. Even 22, it's a very strong support. There is a less chance it will break 22,000. So I hope we can expect 23 it will touch before it breaking 22,000. So we can say that much potential in price action, as well as the geopolitical, there is no much tension in any issues. So with that aspect also, we can expect a market or Nifty may touch 23,000. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, so now the 47,000 is the very strong support. So it's quite well away from this support line, 800 points well away from it. So that is a positive thing. Still, we can see the momentum is still intact. So we can expect still it will go in the higher side. The strong resistance would be the previous all-time high of 48,636. So we can say 46,658 be the strong resistance. So when it will touches, there will be a lot of profit booking. So once it crossed, we can expect there are a lot of chances it will easily touch the 50,000. If it touches the 50,000, definitely we can expect Nifty will touch 23,000. So in pattern, in price action, we are able to see some good momentum. So positive note we can able to see. Let us see how it goes. But anyway, we cannot judge the market entirely based on the large cap. So we have to consider mid and small indices. So with that aspect, if you see mid and small 400 index today, it has closed 75 point positively. So yesterday I told by seeing this tail, this shows some bullishness control. So we can expect market will close positively. Similarly, it had happened today, 75 point positive closure. Similarly, if you see the micro cap, so that also exactly the same point, 74 point positive closure. So this both indices are having some sideways now. We cannot take that as a very negativity. So this range it is taking in the sideways zone. So if you see the mid and small 400 indices, it quite well away from 50 EMA line. In micro cap, it is exactly at 50 EMA line. So even in last two session on, I am saying that this portion, this we can say that it's because of the SEBI's comment over mid and small funds. So that restructuring is impacting here now. So we can expect it will come back to its original uptrend. So this is about our market. Now we will see our big brother US market. So yesterday Dow closed in 75 point positively, and S&P 500 26 points, and Nasdaq 91 point positive closure. By the time of recording this video, UK market are all are in red, but it's not a significant red, it's near flat only, so nothing to worry. And similarly, if you see the Euro market, all are quite decently green, we can say that. So all are near 0.5 points. So with that aspect, this is, we can say it is a quite a decent green. So end of the day, see how it retains. So this is a Dow chart. So Dow, now you will see it is taking a sideways thing. So we can expect this. You can say this consolidation breakout and will go in the upper side. So the reason why I am saying this, there is no negativity in broad market index S&P 500. So still the momentum is intact. So with that respect, we can expect now we will go in the higher side. So obviously, end of the day, our market correlate with the US market. So with that aspect, we can expect our market also going the upper side. Okay, yes, with this we close this video. I hope this video will be very much informative to you. And for the long weekend, 3 days, regenerate and come back with the new energy on Monday. We will face with good energy on Monday. See you next video. Until bye bye. Thank you.